Magandang hapon po, si Ricky Redula TV po. Ano lang po ito? Takata po ako ng walang mic. Kasi pag sa ano to, pang video okay po ito. Pang malaki ang boses po ito eh. Malaki. Isira video okay ito pag kinanta ko to eh. Ano tayo kasi bawal po sa ano. Iba po yung CPR. Ito po ako ngayon. Walang mic. No mic challenge. Yan po ka. Tugtog lang. Boses ko lang po narinig nyo. Diba po? Ano po tayo ha? Huwag po tayo gagawa ng masama. Maging mabuting tao po tayo. Mabait. Saka pa po. Mabuti sa kapwa. At pakiisa po free personal charity po. Everyday. Always. Lifetime. Sa Tagalog po. Personal. Libre pagtulong sa kapwa po. Araw-araw. Palagi. Madalas. Habang buhay po. Habang buhay pa pagtulong sa kapwa po. Pakiusap. Yan na po. Akala na po tayo. Malaking boses po ito. Grabe. Pag may mic. Naku. Grabe. Nalaman nyo mamaya. Sabi ko na lang. Sa mataas. Where do I begin to tell the story of how our great love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gives a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll be another love, another time. She came into my love and make the living fine. She filled my heart. Yan na po, bataas na po. She filled my heart with very special things, with angels song, with wild imagining. She filled my soul with so much love. Whenever I go, I'm never lonely. With her alone, who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, she always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answer, not but much I can say. I know I need her till the stars are burned away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I know answer, no but much that I can sing. I know I need it till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. Salamat po, sana magustuhan niyo po. Grabe po, lakas.